In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your stocks on Webull. Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned trader, accessing your stock portfolio on Webull's platform is straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can easily view your stocks and make informed decisions. To begin, you'll want to open your Webull account. If you haven't signed in yet, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where you can access various features and tools that Webull offers, but today we'll focus on getting to your stocks. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the dashboard. You'll see an option labeled WebTrade. Click on this as it serves as your gateway to the main trading and viewing interface of Webull. The WebTrade area is designed for easy navigation, allowing you to efficiently manage your investments and transactions. After clicking on WebTrade, the page will load, bringing up a new interface. Here, you should look again to the top left bar of the screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Stocks. Click on this tab to proceed. Once selected, it opens up a comprehensive view of your stock portfolio. This area is where you can see all the stocks you own, their current prices, and other crucial information that will aid in your investment decisions. Remember, this stock section is not just for viewing. It's your control center for managing your investments. You can view detailed statistics on each stock, track performance over time, and even execute trades if needed. Webull's platform is designed to be both informative and user-friendly, making it simple to stay on top of your investments. As you navigate this section, take note of the various tools and features available. From charts and graphs to real-time data, Webull provides everything you need to analyze your stocks effectively. Don't hesitate to explore these features to get a deeper understanding of your investments. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access and view your stocks on Webull. It's a simple process, yet it empowers you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed investment choices. Whether you're checking your stocks daily or just occasionally, having quick access to this information is invaluable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on using Webull and other trading platforms. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.